The SMX from Cooper Lighting Solutions is an absolute game changer in architectural downlighting built for stock. Designed for performance and versatility, it features improved mounting options that make installation faster and more secure, whether it's a new build or a retrofit project. With complete uniform illumination, the SMX eliminates dark spots and provides consistent light across its lens. It's available in a variety of sizes from 4-inch to 18-inch, including round and square models, making it easy to match the scale and layout of your project. Selectable lumen outputs and color temperatures allow for on-the-fly customization, and for added ambiance, TRIAC dimming models include a dim to warm option that mimics the soft glow of incandescent lighting. To top it all off, the SMX offers a range of trim finishes to suit any design style. It's a clean, flexible, and high-performing solution, all in one compact fixture. Experience the design and quality for yourself. Get in touch with your favorite electrical wholesaler today.